Ready? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have, continue to share, like, and comment. Gonna start with our parrot fish. I like to take a knife and just go over the fish once again, even though it came scaled and gutted. Cut a lime in half. Use that to clean our fish. You can use vinegar. Once that is done, grab a scissors and we're gonna use that and cut the spine of the fish, the fins, and the tail. Remove all those extra spiky parts. You can leave it on if you choose. Then we're gonna pat our fish dry with a paper napkin or a towel. Then we're gonna use a knife to slice the flesh of the fish. Now this just helps to get the seasoning more in the fish. So once you slice that, now we're gonna season our fish. We got some all-purpose seasoning, some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Gonna season both sides inside the fish. Be generous with the seasoning because once you put it in the oil, some of it is gonna fall off. So once you're done seasoning your fish, set that aside, and then we're gonna start on our vegetables for the Escovitch sauce. Just peel the carrots, cut it on the bias, and then we're gonna cut those into thin strips. Gonna drill in our carrot. So just stack those into a pile of 4 and just slice those. Same with the onion. Peel the onion. We're gonna cut those into some thin strips as well. Same with the pepper. I like to add my peppers for color. Grab your Scotch bonnet pepper as well. Habanero. I'm using 1 and I keep the seed in for the extra heat. If you want to use more, go ahead. Now grab a pot with oil. Add some garlic to it. 2 cloves of garlic. Once your garlic starts to sizzle and turn brown, you know your oil is ready. Remove your garlic. Add your fish to the pot, to the hot oil.